Alright, so for step 5 we're going to talk about taking individual part files like my back here and combining them into our template, okay, which mine is called Ashline template, yours will be called your last name and template, but we're trying to get those parts into this file. So in order to do that, we're just going to take one of our parts, let's say our back, my back, and I'm going to click, let go, drag across the part, click once I've encompassed all of the part, and now everything's selected. I'm going to hit Control and C for copy. I'm going to minimize this, and I'm going to open up my Ashline template, and I'm going to hit Control and V for paste. Here's my part. Okay, and to start laying these out, we can either put them in the blue box or later on we can move them into the blue box. But I'm just going to start by putting this into my blue box. So I'm going to start by arranging in here. Be careful that you're not snapping to like a midpoint of some sort. So we're going to get these things positioned here, and I've got my back. So I can minimize that. And then I can go and close out of my back. I don't need to save it because it didn't actually change anything. And let's say my sides, right? I can do the same thing with my sides. I can highlight the whole thing. I can hit Control C to copy, minimize it, open up my templates, hit Control V. Ultimately, I'm going to need two sides so I can place those in. I'm actually going to work on nesting those in the next step, so I'm just going to put those on the side. And then I could put my bottom piece in also. But you're going to take all of your parts, put them into here. At the end of that, we're just going to go File Save so that they're saved in our template before we move on. And in the next video, we'll talk about like finally positioning your pieces and finalizing your setup.